Lesson 2.3, Concept 2, Multiplication and Division with Negative Numbers. So when we're given an inequality where we have a negative value being multiplied or divided by the variable, we're going to need to use the inverse operation to get rid of it. And that means multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Okay. Our first and third step remain the same. We're going to isolate the variable, okay, and then we're going to solve our inequality. But in between that, we have to remember to flip the sign. Okay, if we don't, we end up getting the exact opposite of the right answer. Okay, so we're going to divide both sides by -3. Both sides by -3. My sign should get flipped around. And then I have x, because these cancel, is greater than -12 divided by 3, or -4. Alright? It's that easy. You just have to remember that you need to flip that sign. Okay? Another one with division, actually a fraction in this case. We're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So multiply by -2/1, multiply by -2/1. I have x, my sign changes to less than or equal to. These cancel. Less than or equal to -3 times -2/1, or +6. And that's it.